For years, Transcom HVAC has been at the heart of comfort and reliability, driving innovation and setting benchmarks. Through every success and every challenge, one thing has remained constant. Our strength lies in our unity. Together, we have built systems that power progress and provide comfort to countless lives. But now, it's time to go beyond. Stronger together is not just a phrase. It's our commitment. A commitment to align as one cohesive team. To listen, to support, and to grow. It's about driving growth, not just in numbers, but in relationships, in trust, and in impact. Together, we innovate, pushing boundaries to design solutions that shape the future. Together, we excel, exceeding expectations and delivering excellence every day. And together, we lead, setting standards for an industry that relies on our vision. Stronger together, driving growth as one. Let's unite, ignite, and achieve greatness together.